What's going on, guys? It's your boy NTG back at again with another podcast. All right, guys. So we're gonna be on podcast episode 8, and we're gonna be talking about another important topic today. And we're gonna be talking about losing. This is going to be a lot of info, so make sure you guys listen very, very closely. All right, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button for your boy. I've been trying to plan on getting my podcast on Spotify. What do you guys think about that? Hit up the comment section below and let me know if any of you guys would actually like for me to put my podcast on Spotify. I've been trying to get into that, but you guys already know how we like to do. We just go straight into the podcast. Now, losing the trade. Man, a lot of you guys are not good losers, okay? You have to understand that losing is a part of the game. And I have many videos of my losing trades. You guys know this, all right? If you actually watch through all my videos, I even have a recent video dealing with a losing week. I have that video because dealing with losses is a real thing. We need to learn how to deal with losses, guys. We have to. A lot of you guys are sore losers. What do I mean by that? Well, when you guys lose a trade, you guys have the tendency to not feel good about your account, not feel good about yourself, right? You lose a trade and you're looking at your account, you're looking at the market, you don't like where your account is, it was at break even or it was in profit, now it's in drawdown and you're upset about it. Like I said, my account's in drawdown now. Your mind is running 100 miles an hour because you're trying to figure out how you're going to make this money back. And you're looking at the market as well because you had your analysis, it hit your stop loss. And now the market seems to be creeping up in your direction. And now you're like, oh, now it wants to go in my direction. Okay, cool. And then it goes in your direction to, the price level that you predicted to take TP at. Now, a lot comes with this, right? With jumping back into the market, revenge trading, all that good stuff. Some of you guys do not know how to walk away, right? After a loss, say you got a complete loss. Some of you guys don't know how to say, all right, I got a loss today, close my phone for the day and move on. A lot of you guys, what do you guys do? Jump right back onto the charts. All right, I lost on gold. Let me look at NAS. Let me look at your USD. And then you're just scanning the markets for setups trying to recover a loss. And you do not know how to walk away. And now when you guys don't know how to walk away, let me tell you something. You're going to be in for a world of hurt because the next thing that's going to come is definitely a blown account. Guys, you have to learn how to walk away from the loss. Some of you guys start entering the market with no setups at all. You just see the market start moving and you're like, oh, it's going to a buy. You start buying just because of that. Like you see a candlestick move up quick and then you're like, okay, let me buy it. Because you lost the last trade. Guys, we have to be good losers. I talk about this in that video. We can't be sore losers. You got to learn how to walk away because a lot of you guys your ego gets too big and you don't like to lose. It's like losing a game and that person starts mocking you and you start getting angry and upset and you want to get back at that person. We can't be that way with the markets. Okay, yeah, the market is laughing. It seems like it is, right? We got stopped out and then the market starts going in a direction and it seems like it's laughing at us. The market is like, hey, man, I'm sorry, but I had to hit your stop loss before going to your direction. I hope you don't feel too bad about it. But some of you guys do. But we have to learn how to be like, you know what? It's okay. I'll get you tomorrow. Don't worry. I have that same mentality, when stop loss get hit something NAS or, we have a losing live trade. I'm like, you know what, guys? Don't worry about it. Your boy HG got you tomorrow. Don't worry. I look at NAS, I'm like, okay, I'll see you again tomorrow. Because NAS already know what's up. You're going to see me the next day. And that's how you have to have that mentality. You take a loss, okay, cool. You won the battle, not the war. And that's how you guys have to think about it. But some of you guys get too caught up in the one battle that you end up losing the war. You end up blowing your account. And that's what happens. So you guys got to really take the time to really think before you start entering the market after a loss. should I actually really be doing this right now? Can't I just wait the next day for my setup and then start making profit again? Yes. So some of you guys have to have a certain level of control. Okay. Now, revenge trading, everything like that, not dealing with losses, has to do with the lack of discipline and self-control. You're like, well, NTG, what can I do? Like, it feels like sometimes I don't try to go back into the market. It just happens. Like, I just blink and my account's gone. Like, I've done all these random trades that I shouldn't have done. And I really didn't want to do it, but mentally, like, it just got to me. The pressure just got to me. Well, there's a lot of things that you can do. And one of the things I used to do was just to distract myself. Like, one thing I used to do, I tell you guys, I used to delete my MT4 app. I used to turn off my phone. I used to go for a walk for the gym. I used to go somewhere where there was like no internet access. I used to purposely leave my phone somewhere so that I didn't have access to it. So I couldn't enter all these crazy trades that I knew I was going to get into after this loss. And then eventually I didn't have to do that stuff anymore, right? This is the things that you do in your beginning phases of trying to conquer the psychology and conquer the will after a loss. And you guys have to take action to that. You have to be able to control yourself. And we're going to talk about winnings too, because winnings is actually worse. Oh my gosh. Winning trades. Whew. Some of you guys don't know how to walk away from a winning trade either. But we're going to talk about that in another podcast. But anyway, the losses. Okay. A lot of you guys cannot walk away. So let this podcast be your, okay, I'm going to walk away. Let me listen to NTG and walk away and stop watching the markets. Okay. I said this a long time ago, like last year on my channel, and the markets has a level of hypnosis, guys. Like when you stare at it for too long, you're looking at the candles for too long, you guys get hypnotized. Seriously, you staring at the candles for so long, and it's your fingers just glide to your phone, and you just start entering positions because you want to. Now you just want to. You're not even thinking about your account. You're not thinking about your strategy. Nothing. You just buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. You see red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, and we gotta learn how to control ourselves. We know we don't have any setups anymore, so why are we still staring at the markets all day? A lot of you guys do that, especially after a losing trade. You're on your phone. Every 5 minutes, you're like, what's the market doing? What's the market doing now? What's the market doing now? Oh, what's the market doing now? Oh, price just went up. Oh, can I buy it soon? Is it at the zone? Wait, let me look left. Is there another zone here? Maybe I'll buy it here. Make the account back up. And that's what a lot of you guys are doing. You have to understand, if you can't be a good loser, you're not going to make it in this game, guys. You have to be a good loser. You can't be a sore loser. All right. Nobody likes sore losers. I'm telling you. You have to be a good loser because losing is a part of the game, guys. Really open your mind to that. Like, really open your mind to the fact that, okay, like, I can trade one day and my account could be in drawdown. My account can lose. Yes, that is possible, guys. That's what it is, actually. It's just the law of the market. You have to lose from every now and then, okay? But of course, the motto is win more or win bigger, win twice as much as you lose. It's a numbers game, right? But really understand about the losses. Don't have so much of a big ego when it comes to losing. And really understand that we have to be able to lose. All right, don't be one of those traders that go back into the market and start revenge trading and start gambling their account by the end of the day and it's gone. You guys got to take a hit. You got to take a loss in the chin. Okay? We got to be tough about it. Okay, we lost a trade. Okay, cool. Let's move on. Don't sit there and be immature about it and try to start baking back your account. Walk away. Just walk away. Walk away from the market. It's okay. You do not need to always be winners. All right? At the end of the day, it's a long term. We lost the battle today. We win the war. Just mentally, guys. This is all it is. It's just mental game. Self-control. Some of you guys need to throw your phones away, and stop trading for the day. Because it starts to really get to you guys a lot. I see you guys building 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 losing streaks. And it's not even based off of your system. And that's the worst thing you guys want to do, is get into losses and it's not even part of your trading plan. Those are the worst. Because you shouldn't have even been in the market to begin with. And if all you did was just wait for the next day, you see your setup perfectly there. And if you would have gotten to your setup, you would have made double your account. But you got too impatient. You didn't want to wait after the loss, and you blew your account. And now you're sitting there looking at the market, play out your setup the next day, and you can't get into it because you had the lack of self-control. All right, guys, so let's change that. So let's look to change that for the day. If some of you guys got into a loss and you did exactly what I did, let's change that. Maybe that's what's holding you back to becoming a profitable trader. You never know. Let's change that self-control and let's continue to move forward even after a losing trade, guys. And if you guys need some motivation after losing weeks, go watch my video on the channel, guys. I think it's titled, I can go ahead and see what it's titled, okay? But I'm pretty sure it's how to overcome a losing week. I'm pretty sure that's the title. It's a red thumbnail. It's one of my recent videos. It's probably about 3 columns down. You guys will see it. Overcoming a losing week. Please watch it. Actually, you know what? Let me make it even easier for you. I will actually put the link pinned in the comment section. Now you don't even have to go look for it. So now there's no excuse. All right. So let's overcome these losing trades. All right, guys. So this is going to be a quick, short episode on losers. Okay. Very straightforward, guys. You guys already know the deal is. Losing trade is a losing trade. So let's continue to have self-control and be patient and wait for the next day after a loss. All right, guys. So I do hope you guys enjoyed the podcast. If you guys did, go ahead and give your boy a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys soon. I have a live trade coming for you guys to watch tomorrow. So be prepared for that. It was your boy NTG. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.